I once again want to commend the Ghana Association of Banks, GIBS, and all the parties that work together to create GhanaPay. It has been a collaborative effort.
So finally, Ghana banks came together to develop a new mobile money service that allows you to send money without paying fees. On June 2022, GhanaPay was launched. During the launch, Dr. Baumia, that is the Vice President of Republic of Ghana, made it very clear the importance of the new mobile money service in promoting financial freedom in the country while expanding the government's current digital objectives, which we all know e-levy. In other words, the majority of people had a problem paying double fees when the e-levy was introduced. You pay mobile money fees and e-levy fees, which makes it feel a little defrauded. Since Ghana government doesn't own MTN Momo, Vodacash or Airtel Tigo, they couldn't put a stop to Momo fee. Anyway, the government came up with a better solution. They collaborated with almost all the Ghana banks and developed a new mobile money service which is called GhanaPay. Time has catch up with us again on another episode of improving your financial life and making the best out of your time. In today's video, I will explain to you why you need this mobile money service, and additionally, I will demonstrate how to register accounts without visiting any agent. So let's begin with why you need GhanaPay.
Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name still remains Oboypapi. If today is your first time being on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to receive more content like this. And don't forget to smash on the bell so you can receive notification whenever I drop a new video. I also appreciate if you hit on the like button. Last but not the least, don't forget to drop your comment cause it matters to me a lot. I will be right back.
1. With GhanaPay wallet, you can send money for free without any Momo fees except the e-levy. Of course, you have to pay the e-levy, which is the reason why we have GhanaPay wallet. 2. GhanaPay wallet functions similarly to the previous mobile money services but provides more banking features. For instance, with MTN Momo, Vodacash or Airtel Tigocash, you can only send money to the bank that is linked to it. You cannot send money to any other banks, but with GhanaPay wallet, you can send money to numerous bank accounts, including Momo, that is all network, or any GhanaPay wallet. And you do all that for free without paying any fees except the e-levy. 3. Having the GhanaPay wallet gives you the chance to interact directly with the bank as a mobile money user. 4. The exciting part, you receive interest on your end of the day balance. That means if you keep money in your wallet, you get some extra cash added to it. If all I mentioned above isn't a good reason to register for GhanaPay account, then I guess you shouldn't. Now let's see how to register or sign up GhanaPay wallet. There are different methods that you can use to register for GhanaPay wallet. 1. You can register using the GhanaPay mobile app, which can be found on Google Play Store or Apple Store. 2. You can use the short code *707# to register for an account. 3. You can walk into any bank of your choice and request for GhanaPay account creation. 4. You can register your GhanaPay wallet by visiting their nearest agents, just like how we register MTN Momo and the rest.
Do you want to become a successful YouTuber? Then know where to look. Uni Lifetime has the course that will help you to achieve your ambitions. Additionally, there are various programs that might assist you in pursuing your dream careers. With less than 50 Ghana cedis, you can enroll in video editing and blogging programs, graphic design, web design, and other courses. Simply go to www.unilifetime.com and begin your career adventure as soon as possible.
Today, we will focus on registering accounts using the mobile app. Depending on your device you are using, download the GhanaPay app from Google Play Store or Apple Store. As seen on your screens, I already have the app, so I'll open it right away and begin the registration process. Start the registration process by clicking the sign up button. There are only 4 steps involved in creating this account. Step 1. You need to choose your bank. It's not a big deal if you don't have a bank account. You can select any of the banks and later create accounts with them. Anyway, I have videos on my channel which can help you create bank accounts at your comfort of your home, so please check the video description for a link to those videos. Step 2. You must fill out all your personal information. You begin by selecting the wallet product, which is GhanaPay wallet. You move ahead and select the account type, which is personal. You then select the bank branch you want to use. If you don't have an account at any of these branches, it won't be a big deal, like I said. You can visit that branch and open one later. Here you provide your full name, phone number, email address, date of birth, country, which is Ghana in this case. Now select your gender and enter your Ghana card number. It's important that all the information you provide matches the details on your Ghana card. You will need a GPS address, which is very simple to obtain. Simply download the Ghana Post app from the Google Play Store or Apple Store and sign up to receive your address. Please check the video description for a link. I have a video on my channel that can assist you in finding your GPS address. Moving on, there is a need to select a secret question and provide the answer to that question. This is very important because in case you forget your password, the reset process will prompt you to provide the answer to the question you selected during the account registration. The next question asks for your application. Choose wisely because your transaction limit will depend on your answers. I recommend that you select trading and business, then choose an annual income range of 5,000 to 10,000. Last but not the least, choose your income source and include the contact information for your next of kin, which can be your sister, your brother, or children. If you have any, then you click next. Step 3. There is a requirement to verify our identity. So perform a Face ID verification. To begin, click the scan button, which will enable you to take a selfie. The following one requires you to photograph the front of your Ghana card. To start, click the scan button to begin taking the photo. The next step is to photograph the back of your Ghana card. To begin, click the scan button, which will allow you to take the photo. Final step, a verification code will be sent to your phone number, which you must enter to complete the account registration. I have successfully registered for the GhanaPay wallet. Registration was instant and now I can send and receive money with my GhanaPay wallet. Your account PIN and password will be sent to you through SMS. Therefore, you will log in using your information and modify the password to your own unique passcode. Which brings the video to an end. I hope this video was very helpful. Kindly share it with your friends and loved ones. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below and I'll get back with an update as soon as possible. I'll see you on my next video.
Yes, that's the true block. That's the true block. That's the true block. Hey, Alandio! Alande! Yeah, Alande.
Do more your way on GhanaPay. Send and receive money at zero transaction fees, pay bills, buy airtime and data, transfer money in and out of your bank account, and so much more with GhanaPay. Dial *707# to register for GhanaPay or download the GhanaPay app from the Play Store or App Store.
Hey, then Alande.
GhanaPay Alande. GhanaPay, your money, your way.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen